to start?
Uh-huh. Happy Valentine's Day, Foley.
Happy Valentine's, Laurel. Happy Valentine's Day, Laurel and Green.
Let's wish Nana, Papa, and Grandma Honey a happy Valentine's Day, and I'll send this to them. Ready?
Happy Valentine's Day!
To who?
To Nana, Papa!
And?
From Goofy Foley!
Don't forget Grandma, huh?
And Grandma Honey! And Gaga!
Oh, Foley, you're the best. These are so pretty. And can you see we still have our Christmas decorations out front on top of our bench in front of our front porch. We haven't put them away yet.
Look.
Whoa. Happy Valentine's Day, Lou. Lucy, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day, Arrow.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!
We're sorry we didn't send any cards to anyone this year.
That's okay. We'll send them tomorrow.
It's Mommy's fault. I forgot.
That's all right.
Can you give us a hello? Can you say happy Valentine's? Let's go back and see Foley's beautiful Valentine's Day decoration. Oh, these are so nice. Okay, it's time for breakfast and to get ready for school.
Blah.